How to log in to Instagram without recovery code. If you forgot your password, if you're facing a problem with anything on Instagram, and if it sends you the recovery code, but you won't get the recovery code, or you are not being able to get the recovery code, and you want to log into your Instagram without the recovery code, then we don't have any other option, because Instagram doesn't let you to log in without the recovery code. You need to have the password. At least you need to have the password, but if you don't remember your password, then you need to give them some information like the phone number and the email address, and then they will give you the recovery code, and after that you can enter that recovery code, so that it will help you to log into your account. But if you don't have that recovery code, then there is no way to log into your account. But there is an option, because on Instagram you will have two options, like you can either use your mobile number or your email address, right? So if you don't have access to your mobile number, or if you don't get the recovery code on your mobile number, then you can use your email address, and after entering your email address you will get the code on your email address, so that you can use that code, and then you can log into your account. So that's it. Without the recovery code, you won't have any other option to log in. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.